was right then.
Look, I know you're probably annoyed.
Were you in on this as well?
No, I didn't know. Surprised as you are.
What's he trying to prove?
He's probably trying to call you right now.
I was doing him a favour. Both of you. I thought we were mates.
We are. But please don't go shouting at each other.
If this is him doing the big romantic gesture, I hope you're impressed.
Well, have you noticed anything like this with police?
No, stabbing somebody else in the back, I haven't. I'm not going to go over there. You keep carrying on like this.
It's not Thomas, it'll be the next one or the one after that.
Here's what you're saying. This is Annabelle we're talking about, your little girl.
She's not little anymore, Zach.
Look. I can't get my head around it. I'll do my best. It's not good enough. We've got to stick together, like we've always done.
Else to say. We just have to get on with it. So will she.
Happy now, are you?
I assume you're talking about the present I bought my wife.
You know damn well what I'm talking about. It's me that brought you that deal. I was doing you the favour.
Yeah, but I didn't fancy all that owning one leg business. I figured it was better if all four are going in the same direction.
It was my deal.
Isn't this what you racing types do all the time? You win some, you lose some.
At least there's some honour in it.
Oh, right, the noble world of gambling. Please.
Steve, you're going to find something else. Right, it's only a horse.
So send me back.
It's not down to me, is it?
It might not have been your idea, but you soon learn, don't you?
Steve, why don't you go home until you calm down a bit?
Probably a very good idea. Because the last thing I want to do with you right now is talk.
All right, well, you want to smack me one, do you?
Oh, don't tell me.
Stop it now, both of you.
So, you coming back to work tomorrow? Business as usual, is it?
Unless you're going to sack me as well. I mean, if we're being that petty, why not? Why stop at the horse?
Steve, this isn't personal. You think I was out of order?